Hello, this is Rick with Cilajet Aviation Grade here at Suntrup Kia, proud partners with the Suntrup Auto Group. Cilajet is an aviation grade, Boeing and Airbus certified anti-corrosive paint sealant to protect the exterior finish of your car. It protects from oxidation, fading, loss of gloss, all environmental contaminants like bird droppings, acid rain, industrial fallout, tree sap, salt water spray, paint overspray. We're going to demonstrate the Cilajet protection on your vehicle right now. One of the biggest contaminations is that creates oxidation is the hot glaring sun. So we're going to just take, I wouldn't try this at home, don't show your kids this video, but we're going to demonstrate the extreme heat and lack of flammability of Cilajet protection on the hood of this car. We pre-treated this car with Cilajet Aviation Grade paint protection. The long heat, what we're going to do is just show you how that extreme heat and the paint comes right off. And it'll keep that mirror-like shine.
Wow.
Cilajet has an interior protection that protects the fabric and cloth seats of your vehicle, also the leather and vinyl protection, which prevents from fading, cracking, oxidation on the leather, and the fabric protection will protect from spills, soft drinks. Also, there's a rips and tears protection on your car as well. So you can see with a little bit of wipe down, looks good as new. Cilajet Aviation Grade is available at Suntrup Kia. 10 years of protection on your new vehicle.